Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine step by step. To kick things off, we begin with a loading phase, which lasts for about 5 to 7 days. During this time, you'll want to consume 20 grams of creatine monohydrate each day. It's best to divide this into 4 separate servings of 5 grams each, spread throughout your day. Simply mix each serving with water or your favorite juice. This initial step helps to quickly saturate your muscles with creatine, preparing them for the benefits to come. Once your loading phase is complete, you'll move into the maintenance phase. This is where you'll take a smaller, consistent dose daily. Aim for 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate just once per day. It's really important to be consistent with this daily intake to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. This ongoing maintenance ensures you continue to experience the benefits, supporting your strength and performance over the long term. Now, let's talk about optimal timing and hydration. You can take your creatine at any time that fits your schedule, whether that's before or after your workout. Some people find that taking it with a source of carbohydrates, like juice, can help with absorption. Most importantly, remember to drink plenty of water throughout your entire day. Staying well hydrated is crucial for creatine to work effectively and to help prevent any potential digestive discomfort. So, what can you expect from consistent creatine use? Creatine is well known for its ability to enhance strength, power output, and support muscle growth. It can significantly improve your performance during high-intensity exercise. The key to unlocking these benefits is consistency, taking your daily dose without fail. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.